Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Arafat Al Shahriar. I currently live in Dhaka, Bosundhara residential area, but my hometown is Chuadanga from Khulna division. At present, I am a software engineer intern in a tech company where I develop my programming skill and my experience in real life. I am a fresh graduate from AIUB with the bachelor degree of computer science and engineering. My main area of interest is software engineering and problem solving analysis, learning new technologies like AI and embedded system. One of my key strengths is that I am a quick learner. I adapt easily to new environment and always try to improve myself. My major skills are C++, Java, HTML, JavaScript, and SQL. Um, and I also have some skillful techniques with MATLAB and problem analysis. And my long term goal is to build my own tech company which can collab with the bigger companies to prevent some dangerous problems which are facing in Bangladesh. Thank you everyone.